Good morning everyone, my name is G6. We are from G6 CT1. In this video, we are going to run our app and then show you all how we navigate it and explain our features as well. So first of all, we run our app first. So every time we run our apps, it will show the splash screen. So this is the splash screen and then this is the application name. And then this is the login page. And then when the user click on this plus button, it will navigate to the register page. User need to input the name, email, mobile number, password as well. If the user does not enter any strings, does not enter any value, it will show the error message. So if the user enter the invalid format password, it will show the error message as well. So if the user successfully registered, it will show this onboarding page. And then for my part, I have done the note page and then the setting page. In the note page, it is able to create the notes and then update the notes, then delete the notes as well. All of these are created under the user ID, then the setting page, and then user able to log out. And then for this login page, if the user forget the password just now they create, he is able to reset the password. So it will show the resetting sent to our email. It is under the spam folder. And then this is the email just now. Quickly. So user are able to enter the new password. Password has been changed. So we enter our password again. It's able to log in. So in order to implement all of these features, if the input box are empty, it will show the error message. And then if all are correct, create the user with email and password, and then I will send it to the authentication and then also send it to the real-time database as well. Yeah, send this database as well. So these are the code how I implement this. And then for the login user, this is the reset password features how I implement. And then when the login button, if the user login, it will go to this function. And then in this function, we validate and then sign in with email and password. And login successfully, go through the add activity. So for the notes, when the user click on the add button, it will go to this add activity Java class. Then from this activity Java class, we have the button just now add. I have named it as button keep. And then if the input is empty, it will show the error message. And then all are valid. And then it will write it into the Firebase real-time database. And then show the error message. And then go back again the notes page. So this is the up delete function how I implement. Set on the if the user click on the button delete, and you will delete based on the user ID and then find the notes and delete. Okay. And this is the update edit. So if the user clicks accept complete, I have this is the function that I read the data from the notes. So for the update, I have set it on long click, user long click on the notes. You are able to edit it. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ng Yisun and now I'll be presenting to my module which is the Facebook login module and leaderboard module. And now let's go to the continue with Facebook to continue our Facebook login module. Now I will type in my Facebook account. As you can see, I just access to login to the Facebook account. As you can see, this is my email address. To prove it, I will show you our Firebase. Now you can see there's a Facebook account. I just log in. And here's a copy of my Facebook account. How it works is actually the register callback function, and if success, it will go to handle Facebook token. Now for Facebook token, it will write to the Firebase for the Facebook information, and I will also write as a copy to a Firebase so that the other feature can work.
Hi Miss, my name is Shanta Ting and I'll be starting my presentation. So right now I have 559 coins and the users can start the study section, pause the study section and also reset the study section. By resetting the study section, it ends the study section and calculate the duration and also the coins earned. So I've earned 2 coins and that's why that's why it's 561 because 559 plus 2. And also to show you the settings, if I mute it and come back, there will be no songs. And then if I change the music to lo-fi and start the timer again, see this time changed. So how to do that is to I built a alert dialog, and then inside it got a grid view. It also got all the musics, and if I click on it, it will change the things in the database. And coming back, if I pause for more than 10 minutes, it should end the study section. But for testing purposes, I set it to only 10 seconds. If I want 10 minutes, I need to add another 2 zeros. So yeah, it ended the study section. And that's about it. Okay, when paused, it totaled up the total seconds studied and also the coins like this. Reset. Yeah, it shows here. The function is right here. Basically, what it does is it use the time right now to minus the time in the chronometer, and then it get the milliseconds, and then I just divide by 1,000 to get the seconds. It will display up, and the coins is 1 coin equal 1 second, so it's basically the same algorithm. After resetting, after pressing reset, everything will stop. Time chronometer will reset. Media player will stop, and they will show the dialog. The dialog is here, and if I fail, it will show this dialog. Failed study dialog. Uh, I fail only when the pause timer runs out. Just now is 10 seconds, right? When it runs to 10 seconds on finish, after it runs 10 seconds on finish, it will make the toast pause section over and also display out the dialog. So that's
Hi, my name is David Ong Lip Wei. Today I'm going to introduce my part in this project. So the first part I did in this project is the book activity. So for the book activity, as the emulator shows, it will have the recycler view, which populated using the Firebase recycler options, which reference to the child of the book storage and based on the PDF class. So if the user have the book, it will be shown in the green color. And if the user does not have the book, the holder will be shown in the purple color. So if the user have enough coin to buy the book, an alert dialog will be show up and ask whether user want to buy the book or not. If the user click on the confirm, yeah, they have bought the book, and the holder will be shown in the green color. And if user does not have enough coin to buy the book, a toast will be show up to ask the user to read more book to earn the money. So all of the validation was done in the book adapter as shown here. So for this snippet of code, if the user have enough coin to buy the book, yeah, this is the snippet of showing up the alert dialog. Yeah, else it will, toast will be shown. So if the user have the book and they want to read it, after clicking on it, yeah, they will be able to read the book. So after click on the holder, the file URL will be passed to the open book class. So inside the open book class, the file URL will be retrieved. Yeah, and the code and the following code will be executed to display out the file URL. So this is the book card layout for the recycle view for the holder to show the data. Yeah. So another part for me to in this project is the admin book.
Now let's go to leaderboard. Now for leaderboard, this, as you can see, just work like the first, second, and third. Now to how it works, actually I get it from the Firebase order by child, which is the coins, because our leaderboard is based on the coins. And order by child, we get the coins for the account from ascending order, and after that add them to the array list, which is here. And everything, once everything is loaded, I will reverse the array list so they become descending, so I can display them from top to highest to lowest. Now that's all for my part. Thank you.
This is the admin page. This is the pop-up button. Admin can choose to log out, CRD book or CRD music. This is the recycle view, which I called recycle view. MID. This is the ID. This is the name. This is the audio. And then I can also edit or delete. And right now I'm just gonna add something. Let's pick a song, Post Malone. Uploading, and it's in the database. So by uploading, I put the music audio into the storage first, and then get the URI, and then put all the info into the real-time database. So I'm gonna edit this. And upload another song. Just pick another song, and by editing, it deletes the previous info, and then put the audio into the storage again, get the URI, and put it into the real-time database. Like this one, it changed. So I'm gonna delete this. Deleting is just easy. Deleting is just delete the info in the Firebase real time based on the position of the.
And same as the book list, book activity, and the recycle view will be show up to let the admin to delete the book. Yeah, so for example, if the admin want to delete the book of test book, they just click on the delete button. Yeah, the book will be deleted. So of this will be done in the admin book adapter of the on-click listener. So for this, after admin click on the delete button, yeah, the data will be removed from the database. So besides delete the book, admin will be able to add the book as well. So for adding the book, there's a form to let the admin to key in the book name, the book author, and the book coin, and the upload file. After click on the upload file, it will be go to the device storage to let the admin choose the file, and also the image, same as the file. The image will be choose inside this page. Yeah, all of this is done in the admin book.